Hello, my name is Angel Bringas, and now I'm going to talk about my infographic related to the sustainability with the challenge of the cane. Well, first of all, we need to say that we work with three SDGs involved on this challenge. Number three, the good health and well-being that explains itself because it's going to improve the health of the elderly people and the customers that use them. Number nine, industry innovation and infrastructure. And number 10, reduce inequalities. That also is so easy to comprehend because it will reduce, as its name says, the inequalities that exist between someone that uses a cane and someone that can walk easily with his two legs. We also need to mention the team process that we follow in order to achieve the goal of the challenge. That goal, first of all, was listening to future customers, interviewing them, creating ideas, realizing the experiments, drawing final sketches, and finally receiving feedback in order to improve our prototypes and our sketches. With the final design, we aim to create less waste, be affordable, and to make a specific good to our community, helping a vulnerable group. Well, in order to have a little bit of context, we talk about the abstract. We know that older adults need a cane that is light, stable, high adjustable, weather resistant, and customizable in order for them to move confidently every day without losing their personal style. Talking about the sustainability principles, we are going to use a lot of recycled materials, mainly aluminum recycled and polymers recyclable in order to create our cane. We also ensure that the cane will have a great longevity and will be easy to repair because it will have a lot of replaceable parts like tip, handle, and module. Talking about the logistics, well, our cane will be a compact telescopic folding prototype and will have a small packaging. With this, we aim to reduce the 30% of its original size compared when it's not folded. And well, we also aim to reduce the amount of primary resources used to create new canes. Now, talking about the context of the problem, we know that nowadays many users, mainly elderly people, report pain and balance issues due to heavy canes or due to using them in wet and uneven surfaces. After we realized the design of experiments and the proofs on the universal machine, we realized that the best material that we can use for this type of experiment and for this cane is the bar of 30 centimeters from aluminum compared to the other four ones because it was the one that obtained the best values for the Young's module proof, excluding the steel because we know that we are not gonna make a cane from steel because it's so heavy and it won't be useful. Talking about the design highlights, we are going to include in our cane ergonomic handle, as we mentioned before, telescopic folding with four section fold, non-slip and replaceable tip, and our technology module that we are going to include that will have a few sensors for detection of obstacles for blind people, SOS emergency contact that will immediately be related with an emergency people that will be called when someone suffers an accident, and also a falling alert. Finally, talking about the indicators and metrics, we got that the statistical validation of the DOE that we obtained for the value of P was minor of 0.05. What does this mean? Well, this means that the effect of material really has a great impact on our experiment, much more important than the height. And well, we also know that the 2Q reaffirmed that aluminum for 30 centimeter bars were the best related with stiffness to weight. Talking about performance and safety, the mass of our smart cane will be between 380 and 600 grams, so it will be a great one. Its packaging volume will reduce a minus 30% of volume, as I have already mentioned when we fold it. Their high quality replaceable tips will have a great impact to reduce falls and accidents. And finally, its cost efficiency will be great because it will be affordable for many elderly people and for many customers because it will be rounding between $50 to $75. Thank you so much.